Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn off story comments on Instagram. So first of all, open up your Instagram app as you can see on your screen and then tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom right hand corner. Now, it will show you your profile page you can see and then tap on your three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Now under your settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down and find the messages and story replies option. So tap on that and then just have to tap on these story replies right from here. And then here we have three options. Who can reply to your stories? You can select allow replies from all followers, allow replies from followers you follow back, or don't allow story replies. So if you want to totally turn off your story comments on Instagram, you just need to select this don't allow story replies at the bottom. So that's all. That's how you basically turn off story comments. So thank you for watching. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.